guys, it's Avery. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing an Easter eye look. Probably add the lips in too. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I already have it planned out because I've done this look before, but the footage was all blurred out, so I couldn't really edit it or anything. So yeah, but that's really it. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave, like this video, and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. Also, this will be a voiceover just because I think it's easier, and it's kind of late at night and I have school tomorrow, so I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So comment if you like those better or if you like me talking like this. They are shorter, so you might like it, but I don't really know. Follow me on my Instagram, makeupbyavery. I'm really close to 2,000 and I would really appreciate if you guys followed it because I'm doing a giveaway at $2,000. And I mean $2,000. What? I'll give you like a little bit of a, not a preview, but I did buy a Tarte Cosmetics palette for the giveaway, so we should get there soon, okay? But yeah, that's what I have to say. So without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with this Benefit Brow Primer, and I'm just going to apply that through my brows, and it kind of just keeps them on a little bit longer and makes them a little bit more stiff, so it's easier to apply my products. Then I'm going to be taking this Anastasia brow definer and just lightly fill in my brows so they look a little bit more defined. I really like this eyebrow pencil, so I really recommend it. Then I'm going to be taking my ColourPop No Filter Concealer and I'm just carving out those brows and also using that as a base for my eyeshadow. Okay, so then I'm going in with this Tarte Old Holiday palette. I don't think they sell it anymore, so just use any palette that has the similar purplish tones. And I'm going into the shade Water Lilies, which is like a cream eyeshadow color, and applying that all over. Now just quickly applying some tape. Then I'm going into the shade Hearts and Crafts, and I'm going to apply that into my crease as kind of using it as a transition shade. Then I'm going to take the shade I Louver It, I think that's how you say it, and also apply that in my crease. Then I'm taking this NYX Ultimate Shadows palette, it's like the colorful one, and I'm taking that pink shade and again applying it to my crease. I'm then going to be taking this pastel purple color and applying it a little bit lower. I'm then going back into that Tarte palette and taking the shade Glitter Glue and applying it to my brow bone. This is such a pretty color! Then I'm going into the shade Still Life, which is a dark deep purple, and I'm applying that to my crease with a dense brush. Now just cutting my crease with some more ColourPop No Filter Concealer. Then going back into the first shade we used, aka Water Lilies, and just setting that. I'm then going to be taking the shade Get Surreal, which is so pretty, and applying that where I cut the crease. I'm then going to be taking this L'Oreal Infallible Paints Liner, which is the blue one, and I'm going to apply this as a wing. You may need to layer it a few times. I also just applied a black line with my NYX matte liner. Then I took off the tape, which hurt, but I realized that my lines weren't that even, so I just went in with the Neutrogena makeup remover and tried to make them as even as I could. Okay, and this is what it looks like. I'm now going to just do my face makeup and I'll be back in right about now. Okay, hello. Oh, yes. Oh. And if you were wondering, the two highlighters I used was this Jeffree Star in Princess Cut and this like baked blush highlighter duo from e.l.f. Going back into Still Life and applying that really close to my lower lash line. And also taking I Louver You and smoking that out under. Then going into the shade Monochrome and applying that right into my inner corner. It may be my favorite shade in the palette. Going into this 24-hour brow gel thing from Benefit, and I'm kind of making my eyebrows a little bit more messy and natural looking. Then going into these really pretty e.l.f. eyelashes. I don't know the name of them, but oh my god, they are my favorite. Going into this Maybelline mascara, and I'm just going to apply this. And lastly, taking this Dusty Rose Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Nude and applying it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really like this look. It's probably one of my favorites, even though it's not the most creative. I just really like the color scheme of it, and I'll probably just like do it. So I know this is a little bit extra, but you can always, you didn't have to do like a cut crease. You could have just used it as a lid color. You didn't have to put as much highlight as I did, and I put a lot of highlight on. But I really, really like this tutorial. Oh god, I have hair in my mouth. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel before you leave. Like this video and leave a comment down below if you have any requests. Also tell me if you like a voiceover or just me speaking to you. Let me know, because I'll probably do what you recommend. But yeah, I hope you guys have a great, wonderful day or night wherever you are, and yeah, bye.